Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to add a subdomain on Namecheap. As you can see, currently I'm on Namecheap official webpage, and they do have a section which tells you how to create a subdomain for your domain. So they'll mention here that you can always create a subdomain using a domain that you already own. So they gave you an example here too. So this is the example that you might see. And subdomains are extensions of your domain name that you can forward to URLs or point to IP addresses instead of purchasing additional domains. So I'm going to be telling you how you can do that. So to create a subdomain, you have to do the following. You have to go to your domain list and click Manage next to the domain. You're going to go right here and you'll see the option to manage. You click on it and then you have to select the Advanced DNS tab, which is right here. And then step 3 is to find the host records section and click on the Add New Record button. And you're not able to edit the host records. So as you can see right here, you'll see the option to add new record. And number 4 is to select the way your subdomain will be connected from the list below. So these are the options where you can basically connect the subdomain. So you could either go for to the IP address, or that points to the IP address of the destination host name, or to a link or a URL, and that points to a server name. And moreover, I'm going to be telling you each and every way that you could try doing that. So if you want to go for the IP address, you select a record for a type, and then you enter the host you would like to point to and IP address. As you can see right here, you could either do this or you could do this right here. And if you want to go ahead and do that for that points to an IP address of the destination host name, so it's actually possible. You can basically do that with the help of the CNAME record or alias record. The important difference is that alias can coexist with other records on that name. Alias record can also be used if you wish to alias root domain to another service, which you cannot do with the CNAME record. So you select CNAME record for type, but you put your desired host and enter the record itself. That could be example just like this. You're going to put that into the value, and that could be for your CNAME. And then for alias, you select alias record for type, and then you enter the host and the destination host name. The example is just right here into value. That's how you do it for the destination host name. And if you talk about we want to forward it to a link or a URL. So you select URL redirect record for type, and then you enter the host and the destination into the value, and then you select unmasked, masked, permanent 301 depending on the forward type. So you could either do this or you could do this. And if you want to go ahead and point it to a server name, you select NS record for type, and then you enter the host you would like to point to a server, and it could either be one of the two options as you can see on the screen. And then you then you check the Save All Changes button once you're all done with the changes. And once you click Save All Changes, it does mention here that normally it takes 30 minutes for newly created records to take effect. So that's pretty much it. That's how you go ahead and create a subdomain on Namecheap. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching.